Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
So chilling the dough before baking means fluffier cookies with better consistency. Plus, if you have a bowl of dough ready in the refrigerator, it's much easier to scoop while chilled than at room temperature.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
It is best to chill dough in the refrigerator for the entire recommended amount of time. However, if you are in a hurry, placing the dough in the freezer for 1/4 of the recommended refrigerator time will work, too. Bake ahead.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
2 to 4 hours. As a general rule, any cookie dough left on the counter at room temperature will be good for 2 to 4 hours, but then may risk going bad, especially if it is already past its best-by date. The cool, dark, air-free container in your fridge or freezer will be the best place to maximize the lifespan of your cookie dough.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
2 hours. Edible cookie dough should not be left out of the fridge for more than 2 hours. Leaving perishable food at a temperature of 40 to 140 F for over 2 hours increases the chance of sickness resulting from bacteria growth.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
One answer. From the fridge, if you can scoop it. Some doughs are too hard, go straight to the oven, though you will likely need to give them a minute longer baking time. Most cookie doughs have egg in them, and it's best practice to not leave that out for any length of time.
Take our lead.
Place one baking sheet at a time onto center rack of preheated 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven. Bake until cookies are golden around the edges, still have pale tops, and are soft in the center, about 8 to 10 minutes. Do not overbake.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.